Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, I will be going over exactly how I achieved this makeup look here. This is my version of my Golden Goddess, my bronze summery makeup look. I went with big dramatic lashes and just a simple gloss on the lip. But before we get into the makeup tutorial itself, if you aren't following me already, make sure to check out all of my social media. I have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I am always posting over there. And also, if you're interested, head over to my website, which is right here. It is just shaunaemily.com, where I post all of my blog posts. But if you guys are interested in finding out how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. Let's start with the skin, because I feel like that is one of the most important key components to a bronzed looking makeup. Of course, I've already completed my skincare, so I'm going to jump right into primer, and I am using this guy right here again, my favorite at the moment. This is the Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger here, not too much because this stuff spreads quite well. And I'm just going to put that through the center of my face, in my T-zone, and kind of spreading it out from there. I'm excited to be able to delve into my summer foundation colors, and the foundation I'm using today is this one here. This is the Image Skincare Eye Conceal Foundation in the color Beige. Now, this foundation is also really perfect for summer because it has an SPF of 30 in it as well, which is awesome. I'm going to apply this with this brush here. This is from Tarte's Make Believe in Yourself brush kit. I just applying it to the brush itself. This is a thicker foundation. I'm going to apply it straight to the skin and then use this sponge to blend it all out. Now that I have the foundation completed, I'm going to go right into my concealer. I'm just going to be using this one here. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser Treatment Concealer. So I'm going to be using that mainly underneath my eyes and then just some spot treatment where I need it. I'm just using my sponge to blend all of this in. Let's set all of this concealer. I'm going to be setting that using my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder. I love this stuff. It is one of my favorites to use for setting my face. It is a loose powder. So usually what I would do is I would just take this brush here from Real Techniques. This is the contour brush, but today I'm going to switch it up a bit because I am using my sponge. So I'm just going to be taking this and dipping it right into the powder here, like so, and then just going right in underneath my eyes and like letting it soak into my skin kind of thing. Yeah, and that already feels great. I'm just gonna quickly take this and just lightly do the whole of my entire face, just because I like more of a matte finish on my face when it comes to foundation and stuff. And that is a matte foundation, it's just that it leaves my skin a bit sticky, so just want to dry it all up like that. To start the bronzing, I'm going to be using this one here. This is my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. To apply this, I'm using this brush here from Illuminate Cosmetics. This is a BH Cosmetics brush, number 3 brush. And I'm just going to swirl that in the pan and then just bronze up my skin. I'm going to pick up my contour brush from the same brush set as well. I'm also going to add some more bronzer on top. This is from Rimmel London, and this is their natural bronzer in the color 20 Sunshine, just on this number 3 brush from BH Cosmetics. Now this bronzer does have a bit of shimmer in it, so it's going to add a bit of glow to my skin, which is exactly what I want. And really quickly, I'm going to contour my nose a bit using my Deluxe Crease Brush from Real Techniques and picking up more of the Butter Bronzer. For blush, I don't want to add too much color, but I am using pink blush, and this is from Tanya Burr Cosmetics. This is one of her illuminating powders, and it is in the color Peonies Please. So it is going to add a touch of color to my skin, but the main thing that I want from this is the glow from it. So I'm just going to tap into it like this and shake it off, and then just lightly apply it to my cheeks. Next up, I want to start the eyes, and I'm going to be using some bronzy colors from this palette here. This is from Morphe, and it is their Hey Girl Hey palette, their 25C palette. So to start off in my crease, I'm going to be using this brush here. This is a MAC 217. It's just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to pick up this color right here. I don't remember the names because I've lost the sheet with all the names on it, but I will have all the names that I use listed down below in the description box in case you guys are wondering. So let's go ahead and pick this color up and go right into my crease as my transition color. So I'm just going for a really simple eye look today. I mean, it will have some drama to it, but there's not a lot of steps to achieve it. So it's really just this crease color blended out really nicely and blown out with a coppery, like bronzy shimmer color on the lid. And I'm also going to take this color, just blowing it out underneath my lower lash line as well. The next color that I am picking up in this palette is this one right here. It is a really nice shimmery bronzy color, and I'm going to be picking it up on this brush right here, Make Believe in Yourself brush set. This is their flat shader brush, like so. I'm just gonna spritz it here and apply it right to my lid. Taking my 217 again and just blending out the edges of that, just so it's blended nicely into the crease. Just taking a clean blending brush now and blending out all of the edges, just so that we get the ultimate blend. Next up, I just want to do my eyebrows, and the product I'm using is this one here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Dip Brow Eyebrow Pomade in the color Taupe. Okay, so that is eyebrows done. I'm not going to bother with any eyeliner today because I just want to keep the eyes at that. So I'm going to go right ahead to lashes. I'm going to be curling my lashes using my Revlon eyelash curlers and then going ahead with a coat of the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. So for some reason my camera cut out there. So basically what I just did was my highlighting. So I took this product here from MAC. This is their cream color base in the color Shell. And I just took it on these two fingers, rubbed it in, and then tapped it on my cheekbones here, on my nose, and on my brow bone and inner corner highlights. I then went into my Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I took this color right here called Lyra. I just layered that over top of those and got this highlighted effect that I have going on right now. Next up, I'm going to apply some lashes, and the lashes I'm using today are quite dramatic, and they are from Dodo Lashes. These are the D105 lashes, and I'm going to be applying that with my Duo Lash Adhesive. Okay, so these lashes are quite dramatic and like super long. So lastly is lips. I just quickly want to go ahead and set my face using my Cover FX mattifying setting spray. As always, give it a good shake and then spray her on. Now for lips, you guys could really do whatever you want with it, but I want to keep with the glowy look, so I'm going to go with a lip gloss. And this is actually a medicated lip gloss that I have been loving recently. You can get it at Bath & Body Works, and it is called the Mentha Lip Tint in the color Magenta Mint. So it doesn't give off too much color. It does have the pink sheen to it, but I'm really just using it for the gloss. So let's go ahead and apply that. So guys, this is my completed bronze goddess summer look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already by clicking the red subscribe button down below on my YouTube homepage, as well as my little bell notification button so you get notified every time I put up a new video, which is weekly on Wednesdays. But enough of me sitting in front of this camera. I'm going to head outside and enjoy the sun and play with my dog and read my book. That is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my day. So once again, thanks for tuning in today, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye guys.